Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, did you get a chance to see the earlier video where I styled Aditi? Aditi was so afraid to try skirts, either printed, plain, any sorts after she's given birth. And she always felt that she looked great in dresses, but we gave her 5 skirt option ideas, so varied, so different that she will be able to experiment with those ideas in future. Hi, this is Jaini Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator, and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize in your day-to-day life. On Saturdays, I talk a little bit about me, sharing things that I have learned so far in my 38-year-old life. So without much further ado, today's styling is on someone who's in her second trimester of pregnancy. I want to sit down with her and understand what are her challenges, and let's see how I can help her stylize her pregnancy. Hi, so we have Deepika here. Hi Deepika.
Hi Jenny.
She's a fabulous makeup artist. She stays in Singapore. She's a very dear friend and we have to thank her for coming here and doing this for us. So how is it? This is her second pregnancy, so let's understand how's the second pregnancy different than the first one.
Firstly, thanks for having me. I'm very excited to do this. And second one, for me personally, I feel this one is a little more challenging than the first one.
Okay.
And
Is it because of COVID that we're all stuck in the house and there's nothing much to do?
Yes, that is one of the main reasons why I feel that way. I mean, the restrictions and everything. But it's fine, it's great, it's a phase of life, and yeah, you have to just get through it with as much positivity as possible.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
How excited are you? I mean, we can't discuss the gender, but I know, so I'm very excited. So how excited are you for the little one?
I am very excited.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to what's going to come ahead. I mean, I know a little bit of how things turn out because
But
I
I
have
can tell
experience
you,
on my
it's
side.
going to be fun, like
Yes.
friends for life.
Yes, that's what everyone tells me.
Oh, 100%. I
Yes.
can see that.
Yes, so I am looking forward to it. Things are going to change for us personally.
Yeah.
There are going to be many new things to look forward to. So yeah, it's going to be a new beginning again. Like
Okay.
just a few months down the line.
Fantastic. So,
Yeah.
congratulations again.
Thank you.
So we're going to do 3 or 4 looks on her and we are going to utilize her basic pants, and she's also got like tons of options. And then we're going to add some jewelry and see how we can make those outfits transitional
Yes.
for brunches or lunches
Yes.
whenever we go.
I'm
Or a
very
doctor's
excited to have another
appointment.
point of view, another creative point of view, because my creativity is saturating. So I'm really happy to, mix and match and see. where
Okay,
I
so
want to
let's
go.
begin.
In her first look, we have given Deepika white pants and white top with a cotton layer. Everything's absolutely comfortable. The pants are crop length and they are in between palazzos and narrows. The comfort is high. Adding that necklace to it, which is adding color and takes the outfit up a notch if she wants to go for lunch or even for a casual doctor's appointment. I'm sure she's feeling great. Nobody can beat the comfort of the kurta. The color is fabulous and it's the same white pants. We have not changed the pants. The same white pants adding this kurta and a dupatta gives her that modesty that she wants around her midriff. At the same time, adding the chunky necklace makes sure the outfit is dinner appropriate, and if she removes the necklace, that outfit could become your daily day-to-day wear as well. The next is her favorite style, denims or jeggings leggings with a kurta. Now the denims are forming this churidar effect. So I am actually turning the denims and making it ankle length so it gives her visual height and doesn't make her look short. The kurta is fabulous. It's a cotton blend and it has so much colors going on that there is no need to accessorize. We've added statement earrings to the whole look, and this is a nice, I just got ready like this, or a sort of non-effort look. I absolutely love these earrings on her, and the kurta color brightens up her face. Next is my personal favorite. She's not someone who wears dresses too much, so I wanted her to try this slip style dress. The slip style dress, I've given her a tiny belt under her bust to highlight the baby bump. given her a jacket for modesty if she's not, if she's not happy with the slip style. But these kind of dresses are great to invest in because they work well even after you deliver the baby, and you can just slip into them, adding statement earrings or even simple earrings depending on the print of the piece.
Okay, so that was it. How was it for you?
Wonderful. I forgot my worries of life for some time. Fashion is anyway one of my first loves, like I'm very passionate about fashion. It's really fashion.
So
But it was fun. It was fun.
I've made her convert to buy these earrings at least.
Yes, these ones. They're so pretty. They're so neat. They're so nice.
I feel that on days, at least for me, on days that I feel that the clothes I'm like it's very drab, I don't want to wear, I'm not in the mood, accessories just perk me up. So I have these comfortable things and I know I'll wear it and anytime they're gonna look good.
Yes. And something like this would go with so many things. Indian Western, style.
I'm also hoping that she gets converted to trying dresses because she looks lovely in it, but personally she doesn't wear so many dresses, so I'm hoping it converts you to wear dresses.
Sure. No, I love the one that you just made me try.
So this was good. I hope that you guys got some ideas on how to dress up when you're expecting. Wow, we can do a book like what to expect when you're expecting, how to dress up when you're expecting.
There's so much, oh god. There's so much from the outside and then so much from the inside, and then there's footwear, and oh god, there are so many things.
Comfort is the key.
Yes,
absolutely, because you're channeling through new waters, whether it's your first pregnancy, second, third or fourth. Every time the challenges or no challenges of your body are so personal that from me to her or to you also will not be same. So comfort is always the key. Look at fabrics at what locations you are in. So if you are like us in Singapore, which is forever hot and humid, then don't fit yourself into fitted clothes or fitted pants forever. Have those options. I particularly loved the kurta and the denim look that we did because you did not even look pregnant in that. And the kurta fabric was so nice for the weather that you can wear it full day without feeling that you want to come out of it.
Yes. It gets really hot in Singapore, so you have to. So even if there's something pregnancy where it has to be very specific with the weather and it has to be very weather friendly. So
I mean, this I envy people in sweater weather. Like they can wear their jackets and everything.
You can layer and there's
whatever,
so much you can do,
but we can't do. So that was it. That was a fun styling session with Deepika. I absolutely enjoyed giving those 3 looks to her. I wanted to make sure that she is absolutely comfortable, nothing too jarring, nothing too heavy, because I know that sometimes the weight at the midriff, the pregnancy weight around the midriff, at the legs, the swollenness, it is so different from person to person that I did not want to give her things that she's uncomfortable in. I'm happy that she has 3 new styles to take on with her pregnancy, and some of these styles will also be useful after she delivers. Your clothing journey has to be transitional, so you have to buy clothes that you can utilize for a longer period of time. And I know pregnancy is that stage in life where sometimes you feel that this is it, I won't be able to wear nice clothes anymore. But we all saw that it is possible. Just keep in mind few little tips. Do let me know if you have any queries, if you are going through a pregnancy or you've just delivered a baby, and if you need some styling ideas, feel free to write to me. I also have a styling course where I talk about various body shapes and body codes. Once you understand your body, that's the first step to styling yourself. I'm going to link my course below. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Every single like, share and comment counts. I tell this every single time, but every comment that you write gives me so much joy. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.